Today in worship, our hearts will be lifted by the beautiful music of our volunteers and servants offering our annual Christmas music program. Of course, this year, like so many other things, is a bit different. And yet, what remains the same is that our hearts are lifted in praise of God through song, through beautiful music, and through the gift that each one of these servants will bring to us today. So today in worship, I invite you to sit back, to enjoy, to celebrate, but more importantly, to worship as we hear the words of Scripture, as we listen to this beautiful music, and as our hearts are lifted to the one who has come to us in Jesus Christ. Welcome to worship.